isang reklamong kriminal o administratiba na may pagkakaugnay sa paggamit ng confidential funds.
Leading, Your Honor.
Exactly, I just said preliminary, Your Honor.
Preliminary, counsel. Witness may answer.
Wala, Your Honor.
Aha. So sinasabi mo ba, Mama, na wala pa kayong natatanggap na reklamo? Yun po yung sagot nyo, di ba, Ma'am? Ipinapakita ko ngayon, Ma'am, yung isang counter affidavit. Okay? Your Honor, I move that the prosecution counsel, Attorney J, be allowed to confront the witness with the documents, and will be, that is continuing motion because we'll be doing that for the rest of the remainder of the testimony.
Assisting counsels from both parties may approach.
Your Honor,
Yes.
Yes, Attorney Bakel.
may we know the purpose of the questioning of the prosecution?
Your Honor, I'm tempted to state that, but we're leaving there. We're about to establish the ground to make this witness an hostile witness. May we not be preempted, Your Honor? Preempted, Your Honor?
You answered the query of counsel. You may
All
proceed.
right. Now, Your Honor, please. This witness, Madam Acosta, is facing a complaint together with the Vice President exactly because of their misuse of confidential funds. Your Honor, it is stated in the witness's counter affidavit that the Vice President is not responsible or should not be held liable for any misuse of confidential funds. Your Honor, that interest is directly adverse to the prosecution's case for this impeachment court. The prosecution seeks to prove otherwise, that this witness, that the Vice President rather, is responsible for the illegal disbursement of confidential funds. Therefore, if on one hand sinasabi ng testigo sa counter affidavit niya na walang pagkakasala yung Vice President sa maling paggamit ng confidential funds, that's on one hand. On the other hand naman, sinasabi ng prosecution, Your Honor, please, na no, hindi. May ebidensya, it's so clear na kailangan managot yung Vice President for misusing public funds. Now, this